One of the best skills a leader could learn is knowing when to be silent. So today we're going to explore the power of silence. The power of silence is a skill that must be mastered. Never say more than what is absolutely necessary. The more you say, the more you could end up looking like a fool. Sometimes we over-communicate and say way too much. When listening to other people, we need to fight that urge to jump in and talk. Sometimes we jump in when there's a pause in the conversation just to keep it going because the silence feels awkward. As leaders, we need to fight the urge to interrupt and let the other person continue. Once you feel the other person has said all they have to say, remain silent for a few more moments. This allows them to still have the floor, and you'd be surprised at how much more they might have to say. Silence empowers you. After everyone's done talking, you now have all the facts to offer your response. Sometimes silence gets to the obvious answer. When you let someone ask their question and you're quiet, it sometimes allows them to think about what they just asked, and they may come up with the solution themselves. American poet Emily Dickinson said, "Saying nothing sometimes says the most." If you ever got that mom look, you know as well as I do that's an entire conversation without speaking a word. Leonardo da Vinci said, "Nothing strengthens authority so much as silence." Let's switch gears to our daily lives. It can be so noisy out there that we sometimes forget how to be silent. Our brains are the biggest, most complex computers in the world. Being silent can help us make better decisions. Silence gives us the opportunity to listen and focus on answers. In fact, many successful people use this power often. It can be said that they know how to shut off the world and concentrate within themselves. In other words, they know how to listen and use their supercomputer brains. Separating yourself from all the noise in the world can be one of the most beneficial moments you'll ever experience. When you learn the power of silence, you may find your next breakthrough idea. So the next time you're busy and in a loud environment, take a moment to practice silence. Take note of all the things that are going on around you and listen to the patterns and the beauty, but yet inside, be silent. Finally, the American singer and songwriter Frank Ocean said, "Work hard in silence and let success be your noise." I do all the work so you don't have to.